Hello, I'm Renee and I clean, declutter, and organize my followers' homes for free. In this video, I spent 5 days on an extreme whole house makeover, completely transforming every room from chaotic to captivating. From the bedrooms and bathrooms to the living room and pantry, no space was left untouched. I painted, organized, and decluttered, giving this house a fresh new look. Watch how I tackle the upstairs and main floor in part 1, and stay tuned for part 2 where I finish off the basement and garage. I'll do before and after pictures after each room. So I started with the upstairs guest room, and there were two of them. I moved all the furniture to the middle of the room and laid down a paint tarp. I have a very steady hand for trimming, so I did not use any masking paint tape to tape it off. So here's the backstory. A recently married couple reached out to me for assistance. They bought this beautiful home together, and it's a dream come true, but here's a small catch. With her job requiring frequent traveling, they hardly had any time to unpack and make this house their own. Their new house still feels more like a warehouse than a cozy nest. Now they're determined to change that, and it's time to unpack, decorate, and finally turn this place into their perfect home. My goal is to turn this house full of boxes into a house full of memories. They chose to paint the two spare bedrooms the same color. I'll leave a link in the description below. All of these rooms will get 2 coats of paint. So why should you refresh a room with paint? Well, it instantly updates and brightens the space, adds a personal touch, and can change the room's mood, and increases the home value and appeal. One room, done. On to the next spare bedroom. Before I started painting, I went through all these boxes and put them in the correct room that they belong in. I'm not a fan of painting at night. The shadows make me feel like I'm trying to color inside the lines with my eyes closed. This room also got 2 coats of paint. Time to move on to the master bedroom closet. Organizing the closet not only makes them look better, but it also makes daily routines much smoother. So why should you clean out your closet? Well, it makes it easier to find your clothes and accessories, maximizes space and reduces clutter, and creates a more visually appealing and stress-free environment. Time to tackle the master bedroom. The homeowners want this room 2 colors, one wall as an accent color. I'll leave a link in the description below of what color this is. Both colors got 2 coats. So I'm still upstairs and it's time to tackle the bathroom. The first thing I'm going to do is clean out the vanity. So why should you clean out underneath the vanity? Well, you might find some long lost treasures. Your favorite lipstick you thought was gone forever. A clutter-free vanity means more room for essentials you use daily, making your morning routine smoother. Cleaning out old, expired products can prevent bacteria buildup, keeping your bathroom cleaner and healthier. A tidy space can make you feel more organized and less stressed, starting your day out on the right foot. I thought this hair appliance rack would work here, but it won't stay here for long. There's a box to the right that I'm unpacking that has a lot of H&B items that I'm making sure that she has access to them. H&B stands for health and beauty. Okay, time to paint the bathroom. I have to disassemble the white vanity behind the toilet before I can start painting. And voila, a fresh bathroom. I quickly organized the linen closet in the hallway before I start painting the hallway. There was quite a few towels in here that were dog towels that we put in a container out in the garage. This is the same color that's in both spare rooms and the master bedroom. I completely forgot to take an after picture of this hallway. Upstairs complete, time to go down to the first floor to start working in the kitchen. I sprayed oven cleaner in the oven in the morning and let it sit for a few hours before tackling the mess. And yes, I know I should have worn gloves. I forgot. Now my hands smell like a science experiment gone wrong. I cleaned out all her cupboards and organized them, and this is just one of them, but then I moved on to the kitchen pantry. The homeowners had a makeshift roller shelf in here that they had to roll out anytime they wanted to get to the food on the left and right side of the pantry. So my first goal here was to completely empty out the pantry and check for expired food. Surprisingly, there was only one item that had expired in this pantry. A well-organized pantry can save you time and reduce stress when cooking. It feels like magic when you actually can find everything. Everything's got to come off of these shelves because they're about to be demolished. Once I got the pantry cleaned out, the homeowner had someone install a new shelf and a light to brighten the pantry. What a significant difference. This is going to be much easier for the homeowner to find their items in the pantry. That shelf will go in another room to house dog supplies. So why should you declutter your pantry every now and again? Well, it keeps your food items organized and accessible, reduces waste by making it easier to see what you have, it enhances the overall functionality of your kitchen. And just like that, they have a pantry that they love again. Time to move on to the living room and get that painted. There are no overhead lights in here, so the shadows are aggressive. This room is going to be painted the same color as the rooms upstairs. What is your favorite room transformation so far? The freshly painted bedrooms or the newly organized pantry? And what room in your home would you most likely see transform next? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This room also got 2 coats of paint. Well, that's it for part 1 of my extreme home house makeover. So far, we've completely transformed the upstairs and main floor, and in part 2, I'll tackle the basement and the garage, finish off this incredible transformation. So stay tuned.